Let's get rid of the grumpy Santa look. Orville. Anyone who still says it's nothing but a Star Trek parody or Family Guy in space, you are deluded. Okay. This is now, and it's not even really sci-fi. It is seriously hardcore sci-fi show now. Any doubters? Oh, and it's only part 1, and they didn't, oh boy. At this point, I'm not even going to go, I managed to avoid any spoilers on this one, so yeah, I'm not going to spoil anything. I'm just saying, watch this episode, okay? If you are not convinced this is the best sci-fi show at least on broadcast television right now, I got nothing to say to you at that point. And also, it's like, that's letting the people take the reins. So this was written by Braga and Manofsky on this one, and directed by John Cassar. So like, it's not all the Seth show. So, but yeah, this one, it's like performances all around, and it's like, I don't know if you're gonna have Isaac next year or after this, past this point in the series. I don't know. That's all I'm gonna say on that. But yeah, this one, oh yeah, put this up there for this year's Hugo Awards at least, because this blows everything out of the water. As opposed to Discovery, which was okay, it's a little more. I don't know if I'd really call it a Star Trek plot yet, but at least it's a decent science fiction idea. Still muddled in the execution. So while Orville is blowing it out of the blocks, Discovery is still kind of figuring out what the hell it's doing after even in the second season, and it's like, I don't think these at this point. I mean, yeah, you're basically paying off what you set up in the short track, and Pike got to be a captain, or it's like, get off my brick, basically. But you're still playing off, and I'm gonna nail it right now. The Red Angel, a lot of people have come to this conclusion too, so I'm not staking any exclusivity on this one, but the Red Angel is Michael Burnham. She got herself a time travel shoot. She's going around clearing up all her mistakes. How do you think they found her? This Red Angel appeared to show Spock where she was, okay, as a kid. Yeah, that's what you got. That's your big reveal right there. That's your big twist. Probably just saved you, watching the other, 6 episodes. Whatever. Oh, and next episode we finally get hipster Spock, babbling like a moron in a corner. Oy. So yeah, all this winning and running around. We want to go to Spock and everything. Come on. We're finally beginning the final character assassination of Mr. Spock. So yeah, Orville. I guess we're gonna, for a moment breaking the scaling. Orville got 5 out of 5 stars, and Discovery made it to about maybe 2.5. It's reaching the levels of, mediocre Star Trek, okay? And this is probably one of the best ones of the entire series. That's a pretty sad commentary. PayPal, Patreon down below. Stand with Vic, and Alec, stop buying me my wife. You have no dog in this fight anyway, so just go worry about building your damn studio, okay? Catch you later.